Hey man peeps, welcome back video. Don't know it's a boy Phil J right. So today guys, outside we got bird shooting mission. You know say it's the starting of bird season in Jamaica. So do the right, getting some nice footage for me, some shooting, slingshot. So stay tuned. Once you come and like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So catch you all in the shooting. It's a ball player. Bro, them toughy. Yo. Stop. Wait. Oh, see him. So never see them when them there, so?
Never see them. What's up, Peter? No, Peter for them.
I keep coming, Lord. Bro, them wily, man. Sure. What's this bus already now? What is man?
No.
Dia nak liki mana? Boom. Run. Want to see him? Where there? Where there? Yeah. Look. You. Yeah, that's it there. Right, that's up. Thieves. First one for you, you know. Wanna start the bird season, you know.
I'm not dead.
Dead no. Wanna start the bird season. And the new being, you know? Yeah, I run the boy, I run. Yes, I did the peeps, so I look for him. I can see.
See there.
being kind of short lean, so I straighten it and then go back to the hunting, you know? Come peeps. Don't say it's another day. You see me? It's another day, so right now. But Bob, gotta go through this, so. Look down. The part, yeah, so. Open out. See there? It's Bob says I'm peed off the right over here, so. So Bob, I gotta test them. Fingers crossed him get one, you know. So stay tuned. I'm not sure about day 2 of bird season in Jamaica. Then fly one day they see me. Yeah, but first if I make that slingshot there, the first but I use it, so you see me? The other day shoot a bird in that right there, so you see that. So now watch the whole of the video to the end. Beat up fly. Guys, the best time to shoot bird early morning and late evening, you see me? When them just awake and when them go sleep are the best time for shoot. So just stay tuned and watch your go on. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch the entire video to the end. You can get a full understanding, full visual how I go on. So fly gun. Come here, sir. Come here, sir. Come here, sir.
And when you shoot the guys, them.
See him chest there? See him chest there, Bob? Give me. See him chest here? A piece of it. Allez, qui me ça? Is it Kimba? Yeah, brother.
So like pigeon.
Which one? You shot him? People, the bird them smart. Nah, no threat. Yeah, so. See? You can put your yourself on him. Lick him now? I gone over there, so. Look good, them love them tall, give them 3 years, bro. Ball play, love them tall, give them 3 years. But Marv got them dead, you know? Hey, people, I look too pigeon now. What's it? Wait. Jesus Christ, Corey. Come. Come. Biggie, man. Go, make them go. I'm gonna keep walking, so. Come on. Come on, my youth. Come. You want to get big? Remember him? I'm little. No, you don't see right. Run him, yeah. Juke him, bro. Juke him. Move. Move. Up. Watch him. Under reach up. Corey down, yeah. Him now move. Him now. Nah, move, dog. Come on, you know. Yale. And back that, you know. That move smart. So people, so reach back home. Back home and thing, I'm gonna shoot a bird, so we have 2 fish in my fridge, so I cook up that with some white rice and show you. Don't stay tuned and actually go on. Then I cook it up inside. I'm not on a cold, cook it up outside, so I deal with that. I'm making a see going. So I take the fish out of the fridge, I'm already seasoned up and everything. See me? So that's the way I go on. So don't just watch it go on. So peeps. These are the 2 fish. We have a nice ox snapper and a nice parrot fish, so we're gonna deal with them 2 fellas here. Nice and decent today. Yeah, this bucket was full of fish right up to the brim and it was eaten. So them are left, so we'll deal with them after. So on the line, in this far line how we use, we put the raw scent. Yeah. I'll throw them away. This Bob just got the rice wash, so we'll light the stove. Just like that. Nah, ito, uli pa season nila, Pips. Oh. One onion. One pepper. Uli pa pepper na, Pips. That's what we use. What we use. So fry the fish in now. Use a pot here. Fry the fish in now. They go with them make the bud sauce, you know? They mean for go on draw the night. You mean? Then go and soak up some of that nice juice here. You mean? Check it back on this. The next couple of minutes. Dish it out and make them soya one. Right, don't steam as well. If you say fish finishing, look at the food, you know. Nothing too fancy, nothing too dainty, you know. Good. I go on freestyle. The food name freestyle food, you know. Fry and cook down fish and some white rice. And that we are warm. to peeps. Finish them up the food, everything. There. Would will dust off, you know. So I'm end of today's video here. So yeah, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I'm upload a new video. See me? So just do that. Big up on yourself. Catch y'all in the next one.